Good. And a very warm morning to all our dear ones who are logged in. We have with us our guest, Dr. Avni Jain. Uh, from the corporate office, we have Jyoti Mehndi Ratta, who is the AGM. Thank you, ma'am, for joining with us this morning. So wonderful to see you live. And we have with us our dear respected principal, Dr. Srimati Mrs. Reena Pathak. We have our panelists as well, Ms. Smita ma'am, Shilpi ma'am, and our very respected MD sir as well. With them, I would like to welcome our respected parents as well for the reason that we are here, and definitely the schools will go on for them. Good morning. I'm sure it is the same in Delhi. Jyoti ma'am has joined us from Delhi, and the warmthness of the people that we are seeing right now live will definitely give a lasting impression and memory this morning. So to begin with, I would request our panelist, our dear respected Jyoti ma'am, Dr. Avni Jain, and Principal ma'am, and MD sir to come forward for the lighting of the lamp. And it's a virtual one. We all know that since many days we have been looking forward for this great day. I remember hygiene and oral is something that everybody prays for, a good health. And if I go back, anybody can go back to their old memories of childhood. The first hygiene, the health that every mother teaches their child to be is to take care of their teeth. The first thing the mother gives in their child's hand is a toothbrush. A very simple thing, but it leaves a great lasting effect. The smile that we wear, and definitely the when we open our mouth, the breath that we carry. It could be a long lasting effect that we can make on people. Many a time hygiene, it becomes very difficult even people to present out themselves in front of the world. However, keeping this view in mind, CTMR Jaipuria Goal Campus has always been taking care of not just the oral hygiene that give our children a boost up in their health and moral values as well. Since inception of the school, let me inform you, dear ones, oral health care or hygiene has been of great importance to our school as well. Keeping this view, our principal, Dr. Srimati Reena Pathak, has always been engaged in some or the other activities. And she found a very, very renowned dentist for kids, a name that needs no introduction in the city of Lucknow, nor in the city of Barabanki, Dr. Avni Jain. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us this morning. We would love to listen from you, and definitely will put our questions as well, our worries and thoughts that would help us to be go ahead in a good way. To talk about Dr. Avni Jain, dear ones, let me talk a little bit about her. Ma'am, do correct me if I go wrong somewhere. To talk about Dr. Avni Jain, management, restorative pulp therapy, treatment of open, traumatic truth as well. Besides that, she has expertise in full mouth rehabilitation and sedation. Interceptive orthodontics using removable and 2x4 fixed mecanthropy. She has publication to her credit, including dental management of a child facial place, as well as an unusual case of bilateral supernumerary teeth in the primary dentition state. She has to her credit various paper presentations, including comprehensive oral health care in special. Additionally, Dr. Avni Jain has tie-ups with various schools and corporates in Lucknow as well as in Varanasi. As I said in the beginning, Dr. Avni also was introduced by our dear principal in the year when the school started its beginning, almost 4 years back. Let's give a huge round of applause to our dear doctor and welcome her on this platform. Ma'am, a very, very warm welcome once again. And it is all your time, ma'am. You can share your thoughts on this webinar that talks about the oral hygiene. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for a warm welcome. It's a pleasure to hear such kind words from you all. First of all, a very good morning. A very good morning to all of you. It's been a chilly morning, a good weather to start of the day, and about talking about oral health and hygiene, I can talk for hours and hours, but we have got a limited time, so let's utilize maximum of it. Jaipuria Goel School has been my favorite school for the oral health hygiene. Principal ma'am, Reena Patak ma'am, has been very kind. Since past 3.5, 4 years, I have been the pediatric dentist of the school and have catered to various children of the school. So let's start about oral health and hygiene without wasting any time. I can share my screen, right?
Yeah. Sure, ma'am, you can. You may.
My slides are visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us start with the very most important word or whatever, like we can say that instills fear in everyone mind, like children, parents, and everyone. So what is dental decay? Decay is basically such kind of decay. Would you like to have in your mouth? I guess no. So decay is like a cavity which grows bigger and bigger in size if it is not paid heed attention to. So this cavity, it is black in color, it is brownish in color. जो मतलब एक छोटे साइज से स्टार्ट होता है एंड इट ग्रोज बिगर इन साइज एंड यू नेवर नो कि ये कितना बड़ा हो जाता है दैट यू हैव टू really really take care of it in later stages of life. So जब बच्चे होते हैं like छोटे जो बच्चे होते हैं अगर उसी टाइम से if care is being taken care of, then this cavity, this decay can be all, you know, turn into white pearly smiles. Early childhood caries, this is a common terminology, I'm sorry, which is being used in many of the children cases. This is basically something like this. Parents jitne bhi dekh rahe hai, I would like to especially want your attention to this picture. You have to look at this picture and you have to look at your kid's mouth and see if something related to this has been observed or is starting, or any of these white spot lesion which is present. You need to pay attention to this, and you need to visit your dentist immediately. अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केरीज जो होता है वो सबसे पहले आपके फ्रंट टीथ को अफेक्ट करता है. जैसे कि आप इस पिक्चर में देख रहे थे, ऑल दी अपर 4 फ्रंट इंसाइजर्स आर डिकेड, और जो लोअर टीथ है दे आर नॉट डिकेड बिकॉज दे आर प्रोटेक्टेड व्हेन द चाइल्ड प्रोट्रूड्स हिज टंग while drinking milk. Early childhood caries जो है, it starts from 8 to 10 months and it can be there in children's mouth till 6, 7, 8 years of age. And when the child milk teeth fall, the permanent teeth erupts, the permanent teeth gets affected. So it is very important that the mothers, they lift lip like this. आपको ऐसे अपना लिप, अपने बच्चे का लिप ऐसे लिफ्ट रिट्रैक्ट करना है, एंड यू हैव टू सी what kind of decay is there in your child's mouth. अगर आपको कुछ भी छोटा सा लीजन लगता है, दिखता है, then you have to report it immediately. Otherwise, you will find this kind of condition in your child's mouth. So let us start first. Basically, how a child is prone to decay, how this decay or this caries activity, what are the factors involved in this? So basically we have bacteria, and we have a tooth, then we have a sugary substrate. So if a child eats sugary substrate, chocolates, sweets, ice cream, sticky ones, that get stick to your child's tooth surface, and the tooth surface, which is basically built up of calcium and phosphorus, the bacteria acts on the tooth surface, demineralization process occurs, and slowly calcium and phosphorus are lost from the tooth surface, and the cavity becomes larger and larger. So basically your decay is, the most important is the sugary substrate. Any kind of sugary substrate, refined carbohydrates, and sticky sweets, if it is consumed, the bacteria acts upon it and the tooth gets demineralized. There is loss of calcium and phosphorus from the tooth surface, and the decay, or what we call caries terminology, is happening in the child's mouth. Now, what are the problems caused by tooth decay? There are many problems which are caused by tooth decay. First is speech. जैसे कि आपके बच्चे का सामने का दांत, जो सामने के फ्रंट 4 teeth है, if those are affected, then there is problem in articulation of the words. Few words are not being articulated properly, and then this is manifested when the child speak sentences, words, and is not clearly the words are not clearly well articulated. Next is aesthetics. जो आपके बच्चे के सामने के 4 दांत है, अगर वो खराब हो जाते हैं, and if kid is playing with his friends, then it doesn't look nice. The appearance is not aesthetic. So the child becomes conscious and the self-esteem is lost. Basically, the confidence of the child is lost. So next thing is aesthetics. Then is your bad breath. Just imagine you have a cavity in your mouth, and it's been since many months. That cavity gets embedded with food debris. Whenever a child speaks, there is bad breath or the foul smell is coming from the child's mouth. So this is also one of the consequence of dental decay. तो आपका सबसे पहले स्पीच है. स्पीच में कोई भी जो भी बच्चा आर्टिकुलेट करता है वर्ड्स, वो अच्छे से फॉर्मुलेट होके प्रेजेंटेबल नहीं होता है. Then is your aesthetics. It doesn't look nice when your front 4 teeth or lower or upper front 4 teeth are decayed. It is not aesthetic. Then is your bad breath. The breath of the child becomes very bad and foul smelling whenever a child speaks or is like just breathing through the mouth. Next is difficulty in chewing food items. So अगर आप बच्चे के पीछे के दांत सपोज खराब है, उसमें डेंटल डीके लग गया है, तो जो भी फूड आइटम्स होगा, the child will not be able to eat it, chew it properly, and there will be pouching of the food in your cheeks, inside the cheeks. So there is difficulty in chewing food items, especially hard food items, जो जैसे कि walnut हो गया आपका, coconut हो गया, apple हो गया, those food items will be not be able to child will not be able to chew the food items. This will cause nutrition deficiency. अगर बच्चा अच्छे से न्यूट्रिशियस फूड नहीं ले पा रहा है, तो उससे जो आपके एसेंशियल विटामिन्स है, मिनरल्स है, that will not be consumed and that will lead to nutrition deficiency. So difficulty in chewing food items is one of the most important consequence or the sequel of tooth decay. Next is your tooth sensitivity. अभी जैसे ठंडी का मौसम है, तो अभी तो हमें ऑलरेडी हमारे दांत एकदम ठंडे हो जाते हैं, बट अगर आपके मुंह में डिके है, अगर आपके बच्चे में दांत में डिके है, तो अगर बच्चा कुछ भी कोल्ड या हॉट फूड आइटम्स खाएगा, दे विल बी सेंसेशन इन द माउथ, जनजनाहट टाइप की लगेगी. if a child is eating cold ice cream, there will be sensitivity. If a child is eating hot milk, there will be hot sensation in the mouth. So that is a abnormal discomfort in the mouth of the child if the tooth decay is present. सबसे लास्ट जो है, जैसे जो टूथ डिके जब छोटा होता है और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे बड़ा होता जाता है, तो जब सबसे लास्ट जो है पेन एंड स्वेलिंग. So basically your tooth has got 3 layers: enamel, dentine and pulp. Whenever a tooth decay starts, it starts from the enamel and then it progresses towards dentine and pulp. The pulp is filled with blood vessels and nerves. Whenever the decay comes inside the pulp, there is pain and swelling. जो आपके cheeks होते हैं वो एकदम ऐसे balloon type के swell हो जाते हैं. Then there is severe pain in the night. जो बच्चा है खा तो पाता ही नहीं है, but उसको 24 hours discomfort लगा रहता है. So pain and swelling is the last consequence, or you can say it is the ultimate manifestation of a severely bad tooth, badly decayed teeth. So I would like to again discuss with you the problems caused by tooth decay. First is speech, aesthetics, bad breath. Then you have difficulty in chewing food items, which ultimately leads to nutrition deficiency. Then there is tooth sensitivity. Then we have pain and swelling. तो अगर आप अपने बच्चों को पेन एंड स्वेलिंग से बचाना चाहते हैं, प्रिवेंट करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज जो स्वेलिंग होती है वो इतनी ज़्यादा लाइक यू नो इट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस टू द बॉडी. आपका जो ओरल हेल्थ है वो सिस्टमिक हेल्थ से कनेक्टेड रहता है. जो भी आपके ओरल हेल्थ में चलता रहता है, इट डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट्स द जनरल हेल्थ और यू कैन से ओवरऑल हेल्थ. There is fever, there is lymphadenopathy, जो आपके lymph nodes है वो swell हो जाते हैं. Then there is malaise, बच्चा जो है वो उसको body ache वगैरह होता है. तो this all basically leads to discomfort in your body. So basically you need to prevent this consequence of dental decay, that is pain and swelling. So that is why whenever you see a small tooth decay, you just need to rush to the dentist and get it treated. And if you don't want to get this done also, then you need to pay attention to caries prevention, which is my next topic. बेसिकली टूथ डिके तो हमने समझ लिया कि कैसे होता है और टूथ डिके से क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स कॉज होती है, बट अगर फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इंस्टेंस में ही हम अगर केरीज को प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, डीके जो है उसको प्रिवेंट किया जा सकता है. सो व्हाट आर दी मेथड्स, व्हाट आर दी स्टेप्स, व्हाट आर दी home based and what are the professional based methods by which we can prevent decay? So let's see what is there in caries prevention. सबसे पहला जो है ब्रशिंग ट्वाइस अ डे. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बेसिकली जब भी बच्चे के फर्स्ट टीथ आते हैं, आई एम 6 to 8 months में फर्स्ट टूथ आता है, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे 2.5 years तक सारे आपके मिल्क टीथ आ जाते हैं. देन दोज मिल्क टीथ आर देयर इनसाइड द माउथ टिल 5 to 6 years. बच्चे का जो फर्स्ट मिल्क टूथ गिरता है, that sheds off at the age of 6.5 to 7 years of age. So you need to take care till 6.5 years of age of your milk teeth. Afterwards, you need to take care of your permanent teeth. So that can be done by brushing twice a day. You need to brush morning and you need to brush at night. Night brushing is very important and is more important than morning brushing. जो बच्चा है वो सुबह से कुछ ना कुछ खाता रहता है, ब्रेकफास्ट होता है, लंच होता है, बिंज ईटिंग होती है, डिनर होता है, स्वीट्स इनटेक होते हैं, आजकल जो चिप्स वगैरह बच्चे जो खाते हैं वो इनटेक होता है. सो दिस ऑल नीड्स टू बी क्लीन एट द नाइट बिफोर यू गो टू बेड. सो बेसिकली नाइट ब्रशिंग यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस एंड यू नीड टू ब्रश ट्वाइस अ डे, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ हेल्दी टीथ. नेक्स्ट आता है कि हम कौन सा टूथपेस्ट यूज करें. बेसिकली ये क्वेश्चन सबके दिमाग में आता है कि मार्केट में तो इतने सारे टूथपेस्ट है, विच टूथपेस्ट वी नीड टू यूज. तो लेट मी टेल यू कि जो बच्चा अगर ग्रेटर देन 3 years है, देन यू नीड टू यूज अ फ्लोरिडेटेड टूथपेस्ट. फ्लोराइड आजकल हर टूथपेस्ट में होता है, जैसे कि आपका कोलगेट हो गया, क्लोजअप हो गया, Pepsodent हो गया. These all toothpaste contain fluoride. You need to just check at the back side of your toothpaste cover in the ingredient section कि सोडियम फ्लोराइड या सोडियम मोनोफ्लोरोफॉस्फेट है कि नहीं, या फिर आप अपने जहाँ से आप टूथपेस्ट लेते हैं उनको भी थोड़ा बहुत इतना पता रहता है कि इस टूथपेस्ट में फ्लोराइड है कि नहीं. आजकल मार्केट में वैसे जितने भी टूथपेस्ट आते हैं उसमें फ्लोराइड होता है. वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू से, सेंसिटिविटी वाले टूथपेस्ट जो होते हैं जैसे कि सेंसोडाइन हो गया, थर्मोसील हो गया, दैट शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड इफ यू डोंट हैव सेंसिटिविटी. जब आपको सेंसिटिविटी है तभी आपको सेंसोडाइन या फिर थर्मोसील टाइप के टूथपेस्ट यूज करना चाहिए. अदरवाइज यू नीड टू स्टिक टू योर नॉर्मल फ्लोरिडेटेड टूथपेस्ट. दिस आई हैव मेंशन एज ग्रेटर देन 3 years. जो 3 साल से छोटे बच्चे हैं, बेसिकली जो प्री स्कूलर्स हैं, उनको नॉन फ्लोरिडेटेड टूथपेस्ट देना चाहिए. नॉन फ्लोरिडेटेड इसलिए क्योंकि फ्लोराइड जो बच्चे जो छोटे होते हैं, दे डोंट हैव